Are you afraid to speak English?
Do you feel nervous when speaking English? Do you avoid conversations because you fear making mistakes? Have you ever wanted to speak, but your mind just went blank?
You are not alone.
Millions of people feel the same way. But here's the good news. You can overcome this fear. Today, I will show you exactly how to do it, step by step.
Why are we afraid to speak?
Reason 1, fear of mistakes. Many learners think, what if I say something wrong? But let me ask you, have you ever seen a baby learning to talk? They make mistakes all the time. Imagine if a baby said, "Oh no, I made a mistake. I will never speak again." That would be crazy, right? But that's what we do as adults. Remember, mistakes don't stop you from learning. They help you learn. Reason 2, fear of judgment. Maybe you think people will laugh at me. But here's the truth. Most people don't care. Think about this. If you meet a foreigner who speaks your language with an accent, do you laugh at them? No. You respect them because they are trying. The same thing happens when you speak English. People don't care about your mistakes. They just want to understand you. Reason 3, negative self-talk. Have you ever thought, I will never be good at English? I am not smart enough. I just can't do it. Stop! Your thoughts create your reality. If you tell yourself, I can't do it, your brain believes you. But if you say, I can learn, I will improve, your brain believes that too. From today, change your thoughts. Instead of saying, I am bad at English, say, I am learning and I am getting better every day. Say it out loud. I am learning and I am getting better every day.
How to overcome your fear of speaking English?
Step 1, speak English every day, even if you're alone. Many people wait for the perfect time to speak, but the perfect time is now. Try this exercise right now. Describe what you see around you in English. For example, I see a table. There is a laptop on the table. The laptop is black. It's simple, but it trains your brain to think in English. Step 2, record yourself speaking. This is a game changer. Exercise. Every day, take your phone, record yourself speaking for 1 minute, and listen to it. At first, you may not like your voice, but after a few days, you will notice improvement. Remember, listening to yourself helps you build confidence. Step 3, find a speaking partner. You don't need a native speaker, just find someone who is also learning. Apps like HelloTalk, Tandem, or even AI assistants can help. Even speaking with yourself in the mirror is better than nothing. Step 4, use simple words. Don't try to be perfect. Some learners think, I need big words to sound smart. No, even native speakers use simple words in daily life. Instead of saying, I would like to inquire about the weather conditions today, say, how is the weather today? Fluency is about communication, not perfection. Step 5, learn common phrases instead of single words. Many learners memorize vocabulary, but they don't know how to use it. Instead of learning words like important, decision, make, learn phrases like it's an important decision, I need to make a decision. This way, you will speak more naturally. Step 6, practice shadowing. Shadowing means listening to English and repeating what you hear immediately. For example, 1, listen to a short sentence in a video. 2, pause and repeat exactly as the speaker said. 3, copy their pronunciation and intonation. This method helps you sound more like a native speaker.
Are you ready for a challenge?
Say these sentences out loud. 1, I am learning English and I am not afraid to speak. 2, speaking English is easy and fun. 3, I will practice every day and I will improve. Now record yourself saying these sentences. Listen to your voice and notice your confidence growing. Now tell me in the comments, what is your biggest challenge in speaking English? Okay, like and subscribe for more English tips. Keep practicing, and soon you will speak English with confidence. Remember, the more you speak, the faster you improve.